Aloha everyone, it's KP here. I'm just taking one of what usually is one of my many walks during the day. Um, we've got some of the beginnings of the hurricane clouds I think are coming in over here, and I said, oh, that was neat. They've got the first Kirby clouds we've seen, and I know everyone over here is doing what they need to do, or what they feel they need to do, and there's something happening that this is something for the entire islands, and in my mind it has to do with the reemergence of the awareness of the Kingdom of Hawaii. That's part of it. The other part is, there's just a lot of stuff that needs cleaning out, and whether it's a strong physical wind or not makes no difference. This is going to be an energetic clearing, a very strong energetic clearing for this part of the planet. So I'm going to stop this here now, but you can see our beautiful view from up here, and it's very still at the moment, and we'll just take one step at a time. Aloha.